Let's jump into the easiest way to transfer WhatsApp chats and attachments between iPhones. Open Syncos Toolkit and launch Syncos WhatsApp Transfer. Then select Transfer WhatsApp between two devices. This powerful mode lets you transfer between Android devices, iOS devices, or even mix between Android and iOS. Connect both phones to your computer using USB cables. Pay close attention to any on-screen prompts on your devices. You'll need to authorize Syncos to complete the data transfer. Once both phones are connected, use the flip button to switch source and target devices if needed. Then click Transfer. You'll be asked whether to merge with existing data or delete current WhatsApp data on the target phone. Click Continue to begin transferring your WhatsApp data. During transfer, watch for any authorization requests on your phones. When finished, open WhatsApp on your new phone and verify all chats transferred completely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides.